Hi there, this is Tom Hazard of Feed Your Brand and Podetize.com, and I'm going to do an unboxing of another microphone in our series of microphone tests and comparisons for you to decide what microphones you might want to buy. And today I'm going to unbox and experience the Samson. Now, not to be confused with other companies, this is Samson, Samson Q2U podcasting pack. So they're selling this microphone intended to be for podcasters. So here we go. I've got the box here. Oh, looks like I gotta cut some tape. Oh, looks like 2 pieces of tape. This is a very retail type of packaging. Oh my goodness. A little snug. It's like we have an owner's manual with some information on that, and it looks like it comes with a stand and a windscreen and even an extender, and also comes with 2 cords, a USB cord to connect to your computer and an XLR cord to connect to another recording device. So let's see. And then it has some volume control right on the microphone, and this has got to be for plugging your headphones into the bottom to listen to either hear yourself feedback wise, or to also, when you plug it into you buy USB to the computer to hear somebody else if you're interviewing them or communicating over Zoom or Squadcast or something like that. It's got a nice weight to it. It's not too heavy. It's not too light. On-off switch, pretty straightforward. Packaging is formed paperboard and then also corrugated cardboard, and looks really good. You've got the windscreen included is nice. You don't see that with every microphone. And then it's got, this appears to be the same stand except for the extender. That's unique and different, but obviously that unscrews. This appears to be the same little folding travel stand that comes with the Audio Technica microphones. We have a review of those, the 2 most popular microphones from them in this series as well, so check that out. But yeah, this appears to be, I can tell it's really the exact same little stand, with the exception of this extender. Now, one of the things I'm going to tell you just from experience, because I actually have used this stand a lot with this type of microphone, and while the extender is kind of nice to elevate it, it's the microphone with its weight, which I think, as I just mentioned here in this video, is a nice weight to it. It's not the lightest, but also not the heaviest microphone we've done. But I'm going to tell you, it's heavy enough that using this stand with this microphone would make this stand quite top heavy. And I know from experience that, yeah, it doesn't take much to, it wouldn't take much to knock this stand with this extender over. So even before I listen to this microphone, I'm going to tell you, if you purchase this microphone, I would not use this stand with the extender. And if you do, I would angle the heaviest part of the microphone, the longest away from the center, to be in line with one of these feet. So what I'm saying is, if you're going to use this extender, have the microphone cantilevered out right over this foot so it has a little support, because otherwise, and if you go slightly to either angle, boy, it doesn't take much and you'll knock this over. And if you knock it over while you're recording, that's going to produce some ugly sound you're going to have to edit out of your recording. So just a pro tip on that one from my experience. I personally like having a small desktop stand, especially a portable one if I'm on the road and I'm like in a hotel room and I use it. But in that situation, I like a stand that has a weighted bottom so that it actually counterbalances the weight of the microphone. So I like a microphone that has a good stand, especially a portable one, because I take microphones on the road and sometimes I'll record from a hotel room. But I like one that when, that when I use it, it's got like a flat disc and a weighted bottom to, counterbalance the weight of the microphone. So it's not so tippy if you accidentally hit it with your hands, especially if you're like my co-host, Tracy. She's kind of one of those people that talks a lot with her hands. They're flying all over the place, and she'll often knock her boom mount, and she has to be careful with the tabletop stand. So anyway, now I'm going to go through actually mounting this in a boom mount, which I often use just so you can see how that is. And then I'm going to connect it and do those audio recordings. And I'll do two for this one again because it's a USB and an XLR microphone. So I'm going to then do a couple of test recordings so you can hear both with USB and XLR because this microphone has the capability to do either. So we're going to do the boom mount and then we'll get to that. Okay, so when you're going to mount this microphone in a boom mount, if you have a normal kind of universal shock mount like I do, you're going to find that the handle is too narrow to fit that. I have a little adapter that I actually have made so that it will, fit into a boom mount. So I'm just going to use that right here, and then I'm going to connect it. Actually, I'm going to connect it first with USB. No, I won't. I'm going to do the XLR. So here we go. Connect it with XLR, and you're ready to go to record through an interface, obviously an audio interface that is going to take an XLR cable and convert it to USB to put into your computer if you want, or in my case, I'm actually going to record to a separate digital audio recorder because that audio recording will probably be of higher quality. And then I'm also going to use a USB cord after that and plug it in directly to the computer. Both of those mounts are on the bottom of the mic. And then I'm going to have two audio recordings for this microphone. Two of them because you want to hear its quality when you're recording via USB directly into a program like Zoom or Squadcast. And then I'm going to have another recording bypassing the computer, going from the microphone through an interface directly through into a digital audio recorder. So don't forget to go check out the blog post for this recording, for this whole series of microphone comparisons and tests, so you can listen to those two recordings side by side with other microphones recordings and decide which microphone is ideal for you in terms of quality and your budget, and also if you want to record directly into a computer or through another device. So, pardon me. Sorry, guys. A little edit there. So thank you for watching this unboxing video of the Q2U microphone by Samsung, and we'll see you for another one soon. Thank you.